Whether you want to confirm that your message has been delivered and read, or you want to ensure your recipients receive the same confirmation from you, this video will guide you through the simple process of enabling read receipts on your iPhone. Why should you enable read receipts on an iPhone? Read receipts confirm that your message has been successfully delivered to the recipient's device, ensuring that your message wasn't lost in transit. They offer the satisfaction of knowing when someone has actually read your message, allowing you to gauge their response and adjust your communication accordingly. Read receipts can promote accountability in conversations, as both parties are aware of when messages are delivered and read. Let's see how you can turn on read receipts on your iPhone. On your iPhone's home screen, tap on the Settings app icon, which resembles a gear. Scroll down the list of settings categories and tap on Messages to access messaging-related settings. Under the Messages settings, locate the toggle for Send Read Receipts and slide it to the right to turn it on. But what if you want the turn on read receipts on other messaging apps? The process for enabling read receipts in other messaging apps may vary depending on the app. Generally, you'll need to launch the specific messaging app you want to enable read receipts for. Look for the settings menu within the app, which might be accessible through a gear icon, 3 dots, or a profile menu. Navigate through the settings options to locate the section related to read receipts or message confirmations. Depending on the app, you might find a toggle or a checkbox for enabling read receipts. Turn it on or check the box to activate the feature. What are the limitations of read receipts on iPhones? Read receipts only work between iPhones and other Apple devices that use iMessage. If you send a message to an Android phone or a non-Apple device, read receipts will not be sent or received. If the recipient of your message has disabled read receipts on their device, you will not receive confirmation, even if you have the feature enabled on your iPhone. So there you have it. Now you know how to turn on read receipts for iMessage and other messaging apps on your iPhone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.